The question here says the times taken by members of a large cycling club to complete a cross-country circuit have a normal distribution with a mean mu minutes. The times taken X minutes are recorded for a random sample of 14 members of the club. The results are summarized as follows, where X bar is the sample mean. So X bar is equal to 42.8, and the sum of squares of X minus X bar is 941.5. Find a 95% confidence interval for mu. All right, so here we are going to need the mean. They've already given that to us. So we know that X bar is 42.8. We are going to need the unbiased estimator for the population variance, which we use the formula. If you go to the list of formulas booklet, okay, this is the list of formulas, MF19. And if we scroll down to statistics, you are going to find the formula for the unbiased estimators, all right here. Unbiased estimators for the population variance. So that's going to be the sum of X minus X bar squared over N minus 1, which is 941.5 over N is 14, so N minus 1 is 13. And we will do the calculation here. And that's 941.5 divided by 13, giving us 72.423. So 72.423. We'll also need the critical T values, and that's for 14 minus 1 degrees of freedom, which is 13 degrees of freedom. And the critical T value, if you consider the T distribution curve, and we're talking about a 95% CI or confidence interval, we know that in the tails that will be 5% divided by 2. So this would be 2.5%. So basically, the critical T value here will have a P value of 95 plus 2.5, which is 97.5%. So that's like 0.975. So the critical T value here, we can also find that from the MF19. All right, we don't need the calculator. Let me bring up the tables. So we scroll down to the T distribution tables. And remember, this is for 13 degrees of freedom and 0.975. Okay. So 13 and 0.975 here. This is the value we're looking for, 2.160. So 2.160 is what we're going to be making use of. So we're now saying for the 95% confidence interval, it will be found by X bar plus or minus the critical T value, right, of S over root N. So in this case, that's going to be X bar is 42.8, and that's plus or minus the critical T value, that's 2.160 times square root of then S squared, that's 72.423, and that's over N. N is 14, so 14 here. So we're gonna get here using the calculator 42.8 minus 2.160 times the square root of 72.423, and that's over 14, right? And this gives us 37.9, okay, to 3SF. So 37.9. The other one, we'll use plus. So let's have plus here. And we get 47.7. So 47.7. This here is the answer. And that's how we do it for this particular question.